Okay, hello. Today I want to do an unboxing for the Simply Slipper. Um, this is something I got for myself for people who want to make sure the bottom of their feet are clean, or if it's hard for you to bend over and wash your feet in the shower, or if you just want to have a therapeutic foot wash when you take your shower. Um, this is a very cool product. Just gonna open it. Have not used it yet. I just got it today from Amazon. It's a really big shoe. Um, you can use this product for both feet. These are the suction cups at the bottom that helps have it stick to the bottom of the tub. I was just trying to see if it would stick to this table, but anyway, I like these because these are firm bristles. These are firm bristles. This one here is a little lighter than these here. Also, you have the back of like, I don't know what you call this, but like the file thing where it scrubs off the, the extra husk on your feet. And it's a big wide shoe, so it's not shaped towards the left or the right of the foot. It's just shaped for a big enough of a wide feet to go inside. Even though I'm sticking my hand inside here because I'm only demonstrating what the product is. So this is just an unboxing of this product, and this is gonna be part of my therapy for me to wash my feet a little better. I mean, I do wash my feet, but it just give my feet some therapy while I'm taking a shower. So just wanted to show this unboxing.